What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of TunerThings. My name is Steve. Really happy for you to be here. I hope everybody's doing well. Sending you all really good vibes, healing vibes, safety vibes, antiviral vibes, for what it's worth. So yeah, thank you for being here. I'm out here with my D16Y8. As you can see, there's been a little bit more progress. I had a little bit of an issue with the rocker arm assembly. I've never assembled one of those, and those happen to have a shit ton of little pieces in there. Long story short, it sprang apart on me when I angled my cam and just, you know what I mean? Like, whatever, it's back together now, but check out what I had to go through. This is a clip from yesterday. As you can see, I have an issue. Yeah, part of me being able to do all this is recognizing when I know something, when I don't know something, when I'm in over my head. Okay, so I removed the rocker arm assembly to tilt my cam so that I could slide my timing belt back on. One thing led to another. The screws came out of the rocker arm assembly came apart. That's what we're looking at here. All the pieces, most of it is like in order already. I have the diagrams there. I just headed over to my buddy's house, who is a mechanic or ex-mechanic, hobbyist, whatever he is at this point. And my buddy, Davin, shout out to you, Mississippi. So he's gonna give me a hand throwing this thing back together. It's about an hour away, but it's worth it for me to just know that, you know, it's done right, because this is like the last step before I get it started, and I don't wanna screw this up. So headed over to Davin's now, over in Canyon City. And yeah, we'll see how that goes. There, it took me like 30 minutes, 35 minutes, but damn, Davin. Shit looks good, bruh. All right.
Take the next left.
Oh, I got to move out here. Oh, Jesus.
My kids was like, who?
This guy.
Like, Steve showing up. They were like, Minecraft Steve? And I was like, yeah, give me the sword. We go battling.
Oh, I fucked up bad, man.
I went to go inside because my kids and my wife got the respiratory infection.
Oh, Lord, have mercy.
They ain't had no fucking fevers.
Fuck you.
So don't go in the house. I haven't been sick. They all been sick.
So yes, since then, I've gotten quite a bit done on the car. I was out here working with my son, and I was just having some good time with him, so I didn't really bother recording. But let's go over what I've done. Somehow I managed to lose a couple of these nuts, a bunch of them. Let's see, I'm missing 1, 2, 3 of them. So I need to get 3 more nuts for that, but that'll be okay to start for now. Got the distributor put on. I got the catch can plumbed up temporarily. I don't like how this one is going back here. This is weird angle. So yeah, I got almost everything buttoned back up. I've got the vacuum lines for the most part run. I'm just gonna finish putting in a little work, look for my Permatex, then maybe we can get this thing started soon. So, all right, let's get to work.
Daddy.
Yes. You're almost there, my man. What'd you find? Did you find your screws and everything?
Yeah.
Cool. Cool beans.
Cool, Daddy.
Thanks, bud.
Cool, Daddy.
Thanks. Almost time to start this thing up, Bob.
Cool, Daddy.
Thanks, bud.
Oh, cool, Daddy. Dad.
Yeah. Almost time to start it up.
Yeah. Cool, Daddy. Cool, Daddy.
Thanks, big guy.
That's the other potato.
Yep.
Yay.
Can you grab me that roll of paper towels, please?
Yeah.
They're on the floor, right by your feet.
Oh, cool, Daddy.
Thanks, bud.
That's the cream.
Yeah, clean a little bit.
Oh.
Excuse me, big guy. Oh, come on now, Steven.
Oh. Daddy.
It's okay, I'm just dripping oil everywhere.
Daddy, okay, oh.
Yup.
Good job.
Thanks. Thanks, buddy. Alrighty, y'all. So, we are here. I think I have everything put back together. Need to attach this distributor. Like, yeah, everything is put back together. Adam's out here helping me, my son, and yeah. So the only thing that I really need to fix right now is this bolt. It's stripped, so it's just like sitting there, just in enough to hold it. I don't want any oil. I don't know if there's any oil that goes through there, but yeah, just need something to hold it there for a little bit. So we're gonna pour this all in now, and hopefully get it started. I'm gonna change the coolant out here because this is not distilled, but I don't want to use tap.
This is that part.
Yep, you have definitely helped me fix the car.
Yep.
There we go. I'm nervous, guys. I'm so nervous. But it's gonna be all right, Bob?
Mm-hmm.
Yup, sure is. Because what's the worst that can happen? It doesn't work? Cool. Great.
Yeah.
You know?
Yep. I know look
Yep. You got your screwdriver.
and
It's a big screwdriver.
I know better too.
Alrighty, guys. So we are gonna connect this ostrich up.
That's a corset.
Got the no, I'll leave that open. Thank you, buddy. Setting up the device. I'm nervous. I'm super nervous. Yeah. I'm sure it'll be okay though. Super nervous about this, but the tune rode okay. I'll do this. You stay back there, okay, bye?
No.
You'll.
Very loud.
Yeah, it's gonna be very loud. Alrighty, y'all. Here we go.
That's all done.
Nope, we're not all done.
That's all done.
It's okay, you're okay.
That's all done.
You're okay. Adam, you're okay. I told you it was gonna be loud, Adam. You're okay, bud.
That's all done.
Try this one again. She was revving really high. I don't understand. Well, it fired up, Then it died. But it didn't blow up. Shit, that's unplugged. Let's see about this. Let's try plugging that in backwards and see if that does anything. Doubt it will, but worth a shot, you know? Foot on the brake. Holy fuck! That was it! Incredible! Okay. And it's set for the wrong map sensor. Let's see now. Progress. All right. I think we're onto something here. It's not pissing oil. Thank fucking goodness. She's running rich like a motherfucker though. That's it right there. My map sensor's bad. What the hell? Why is my radiator steaming? Hot as fuck. All right, y'all. So maybe you could let me know what the steaming is. Is it just shit bubbling out of here and splurting on the thing, or? Well, I got it started. There aren't any leaks underneath the car, which is great. But my radiator's steaming. Steaming something fierce. I mean, my lower radiator hose is getting water. Yeah. That's crazy. Alrighty, Honda people. One step closer to getting this thing on the road. At least I got it fired up. Internet says that this is probably just a fucked up leaky radiator. Alrighty, y'all, so that's where we're gonna wrap things up for tonight. I wanna do a little bit more research and just make sure that it is the radiator and everything, you know? That's awesome though. Now I can start working on the tune, get that patched up. I did hear some leak noises coming from over here, so I do wanna double check everything over here and make sure that nothing is gonna be leaking. There's no oil though, and it turns on, so that's freaking good. If you come this far, I really appreciate it. Let me know in the comments section below why my radiator is pissing steam. I don't know what to do. This is the original radiator. This is the original radiator I always suspected was malfunctioning, clogged up, and overheating. So maybe that's what caused the overheating in the first place. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. I'll gonna drop this video probably tomorrow morning, and then I'll be back in the next couple days to finish up everything, get this radiator fixed or new radiator put on, and yeah, start working on this tune. So stoked that it turns on. So stoked. So unbelievably stoked. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching. Peace out, Cub Scouts.